Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we pulled off a hat trick last night. The guys worked till 8 o'clock. Got this roof finished. We had to come back this morning for some nail cleanup and final details. But here it is. This is a 65 square roof in the historic district in Macon, Georgia. It's a rental property for one of our clients. He asked for CertainTeed Landmarks in colonial slate. We had to wait on that shingle color, but it's installed now, and here's the finished product. CertainTeed Integrity Roof System, Roof Runner Synthetic, Drip Edge, Swift Start Starters, CertainTeed Landmarks in Colonial Slate with CertainTeed Shadow Ridge and Colonial Slate Hip and Ridge Caps, CertainTeed Shingle Over Ridge Vent. Take you around back and show you the rest of the house, but there were a lot of little small details. This house had been redecked probably 20 to 25 years ago. Nice touch for us, just OSB over the 1x4 sheathing. We did a little creative sheet metal work at that intersection. There were some problems going on there. It's probably not a historically accurate fix, but it is a practical fix, and the client was happy with it. The heat was unbearable on this job. We literally measured 108 degrees at the top of the roof around 3 o'clock. So it was rough on the guys, but they pushed through. We've got it finished. Take you back here to the parking area. Castile will be coming this afternoon to pick up the container. Got everything really cleaned up nicely. Did an extra check with the magnet for nails. Keep the college students happy. Here's the back of the house. There's a lot of house here, but it's finished. Another job well done. And that's how we do it. So if we can help you out with your roofing projects, historical homes, large homes, difficult homes, roofs that need decking repair, give us a call. We've got the crews, equipment, and experience to get it right for you the first time. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.